Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find friends with contact on TikTok. So let's get started. So find your friends with your contact on TikTok. Then what you have to do is, first of all, you have to save the specific friend that you want to find with your contact. So after saving that friend in your contacts, what you have to do is open up your TikTok. And after opening up your TikTok, now what you have to do is just tap on this inbox option, which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on inbox, now what you have to do is just simply tap on this option, which is chat with contacts. So in the top you will find this option, just tap on it. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on open settings. After tapping on open settings, now you have to tap on permissions. And here you will find this contacts option, just tap on it and then tap on allow. After tapping on allow, now you just have to come back to your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, now you will find every single friend that is in your contact. So now you can follow them, you can chat with them, you can watch their profile. So that's it guys, this is how to find friends with your contacts on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.